That's a bubble. Look, that's a bubble.
Poor thing.
I know, you just like you want to fix it.
Oh. Mama's got the hiccups. The first ones.